Welcome to Squash Studio 3. This is Squash. Drugs are bad. So is alcohol. And by the way, this is beer, not soda. Smiley face. Okay, here we go. Hey, little girl, you should try some of this stuff. It's really good. It makes you feel all awesome stuff. What are you doing? It's just a freak!
Get away from me!
Ah! Call the cops! Call the cops!
Get away! Get away from me! Yeah, you got it. Hey, girlfriend.
What's up?
What the me? God,
Here, try some of this.
no! Sir?
God, people these days.
Oh.
And this proves that you should not do drugs. Oh!
Don't do drugs.
Ow!